How to drive a stick shift car. Subscribe for more videos. Many people aspire to be able to drive a stick shift car, although only a few carry through and learn how to do it. This is a shame, because driving a stick shift car is easy and lots of fun. It is absolutely a skill that everyone should have. Here are a few tips on how to drive a stick shift car. Each stick shift car has 4 key components: the clutch pedal, the gas pedal, the brake pedal, and the shifter. To correctly drive a stick shift car, each of these has to be used in harmony. The good news is that if you know how to drive an automatic vehicle, there are only a few additional steps to learn. First, when getting into a stick shift car, it is commonplace to have the shifter placed into a gear when the engine is shut off. To start the car, place your foot on the clutch all the way down, then turn the ignition. Once the engine starts, while keeping your foot on the clutch, place the shifter in neutral. Once the shifter is in neutral, you can release the clutch. At this point, keep your foot on the brake and release any handbrake. Once starting your car, the next step is pulling out onto the street or other motorway where you intend to drive. If you are going to go straight, then keep your foot on the brake, press the clutch, and put your car into first gear. To get the car moving, give the car a little gas. About 2,000 revolutions per minute is usually good enough. Once you do this, slowly release the clutch about a third of the way to get the car to move. To move a little at a time, release the clutch a little, and then press it again. If you would like to move in reverse, then place your car in reverse gear and follow the same steps. When you make your way onto the street, the next step is actually putting your car in gear and driving. Like the previous paragraph, the first step is to press the clutch and put the car into first gear. Once you have shifted into first gear, press the gas again. 2,000 revolutions per minute is usually good. Once you have given the car a little gas, then gradually ease off the clutch. When you do this, you will notice that the RPMs will start to drop and the car will begin to move forward. Once the RPMs reach about 1,000 or when you feel the engine struggle, gently give the car more gas. Continue to do this until the clutch is fully released. Now you are in first gear and can drive around. Once you are driving, changing gears is easy. When you reach a RPM that is high enough, simply depress the clutch and shift the car into the next gear. Once you are in the next gear, release the clutch again. If you are slowing down, you should use a similar process. You should depress the clutch, but this time you need to shift into a lower gear. If you ever come to a complete stop, you simply depress the clutch and shift the car into neutral. Now you're driving stick. It's that easy. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.